The world of business is changing. Artificial intelligence is here and it's creating incredible opportunities. The best part? You don't need years of experience to get started. This essay will show you how to build a successful AI business from scratch. We'll explore the exciting landscape of AI business opportunities. You'll discover the exact steps to build your business, from learning the basics to making money. And to make it even easier, we'll lay out a clear 6-month plan to get your first paying client. Get ready to dive into the world of AI and unlock your potential. Let's get started. AI is growing fast, and its impact is being felt across various sectors. It's already changing how we work, live, and even play. From smart homes to AI-driven healthcare, the possibilities are endless. This rapid growth means tons of business opportunities are up for grabs. Entrepreneurs and innovators are diving in to explore new horizons. Here are a few beginner-friendly AI business ideas that you can start with minimal investment and expertise. AI influencing. Become an expert on AI tools and share your knowledge through online courses, workshops, or social media. Build a community and help others learn. AI consulting. Help businesses use AI to solve problems and improve efficiency. Offer tailored solutions to meet their unique needs. AI automation agency. Use AI tools to automate tasks for businesses like social media marketing or customer service. Streamline their operations and boost productivity. AI education. Teach others the basics of AI and how to use AI tools. Empower the next generation of AI enthusiasts. AI SaaS. Create and sell AI-powered software that solves a specific problem. Innovate and provide solutions that make a difference. Of these, starting an AI automation agency is the most beginner-friendly. It's a great way to get your foot in the door. Businesses are always looking for ways to save time and money. They need efficient solutions to stay competitive. AI automation is the perfect solution. It can handle repetitive tasks, allowing businesses to focus on what truly matters. Ready to build your own AI business? Let's see how. The future is bright, and your opportunity awaits. Building a successful AI business doesn't happen overnight. It requires dedication, learning, and strategic planning. It's a journey with 3 key phases, each crucial to your growth and success. Phase 1. Learn. Start with free resources. Dive deep into the world of AI. Explore websites, online courses, and YouTube channels dedicated to AI and machine learning. Absorb as much knowledge as you can. Focus on practical AI tools. Learn how to use tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E 2, and others. These tools are the backbone of modern AI applications. These tools are user-friendly and offer immediate value. They can help you understand complex concepts in a simpler way. Choose a niche. Specializing in a specific area will make you an expert and attract more clients. It's important to find what excites you the most. Phase 2. Apply. Offer free services to gain experience. This is where you put your knowledge to the test. Help businesses with AI-powered tasks like content creation, social media management, or data analysis. Real-world experience is invaluable. Build a portfolio of your work. This will showcase your skills to potential paying clients. A strong portfolio is your best marketing tool. Collect testimonials from satisfied clients. Positive feedback builds trust and credibility. It's a testament to your hard work and expertise. Phase 3. Monetize. Start charging for your services. Transition from free work to paid projects. Research industry rates and set competitive prices. Ensure your rates reflect the value you provide. Create packages and offers. Make it easy for clients to understand your services and pricing. Clear communication is key. Consider outsourcing tasks. As your business grows, hire freelancers to help with tasks like marketing or customer service. This allows you to focus on core activities. By following these phases, you'll build a solid foundation for a successful AI business. Your journey from zero to hero starts here. Section 4. Your 6-month roadmap to AI success. Actionable steps for fast results. Here's a step-by-step roadmap to help you launch your AI business in 6 months. This plan is designed to give you fast results by breaking down the process into manageable steps. Months 1 to 2. Learn and experiment. This is the foundation phase where you immerse yourself in the world of AI. Dedicate at least 10 hours per week to learning about AI and exploring different AI tools. Take online courses, read books, and watch tutorials to build your knowledge base. Choose your niche and focus on mastering AI tools relevant to that area. Specializing will make you more valuable in the market. Join online communities and forums to connect with other AI enthusiasts and learn from their experiences. Networking can provide valuable insights and support. Months 3 to 4, gain practical experience. This is where you start applying what you've learned. Offer your services for free to at least 3 different businesses. This will help you build a portfolio and gain real-world experience. Document your progress and the results you achieve for each client. Keeping detailed records will help you track your growth and identify areas for improvement. Request testimonials from satisfied clients to build credibility. Positive feedback can be a powerful tool in attracting new clients. Months 5 to 6 launch and monetize. Now it's time to turn your skills into a profitable business. Start pitching your services to paying clients. Use the testimonials and portfolio you've built to showcase your expertise. Use online templates and tools to streamline your business operations, such as invoicing and contracts. Efficiency is key to managing your growing business. Consider outsourcing tasks like marketing or administrative work to free up your time. Remember, consistency is key. Delegating can help you focus on what you do best. Stick to your schedule and you'll be amazed at how quickly you progress. With dedication and a clear plan, your AI business will thrive. Section 5. Conclusion. Your future in AI starts now. The world of AI is full of opportunities for those who are willing to learn and take action. Starting an AI business may seem daunting, but by following this blueprint and putting in the work, you can achieve success. There are tons of free resources available online to help you get started. Don't wait for the perfect time to begin. The best time to start your AI journey is now. Take the first step today and embrace the exciting possibilities that await you in the world of AI.